I like biking because you don't have to be a certain age to do it, and you can go anywhere you want.
It gets us out of the house, and we're able to spend time together as a family and be able to explore all that Durham has to offer.
I mountain bike because it's so much fun, and I've met like my best friends through mountain biking.
Charlie's my grandson, and he just recently has learned to ride a bicycle. And the bicycle to me represented what it represents, I think, to everybody who first jumps on a bike. It's freedom.
You get to see a lot of the area that you normally would drive right by.
In Durham, you have the Waterfront Trail, which is a very extensive trail going from Niagara Falls all the way up to the Quebec border.
It's a really special place.